right, so I got these really cool earbuds here, and I want to start off by showing you what they kind of look like, what you get. You can see you get a little additional earbuds to fit your ear canals a little bit better. If those are the ones that are already on too big. It's a Type-C charger, so it charges very quickly. 4 hours, you get 36 hours of playtime, which is really nice. It is a one-step connection, it's Bluetooth. So you just open it up, pair it with your smartphone device, and it's already paired up. The sound quality is very good. I tested it out. It's really crystal clear, high quality sound. Plus it is a one touch button here, so you turn them on with this. It is a simple, easy to use, and they're lightweight. But most of all, I like how lightweight the case it comes in. It's waterproof, so it's sweat resistant. You can use it when you're working out. Plus, you know, a 3-minute charge will give you a 1 hour playtime, so that's very cool. You can also talk on these if you'd like, and it doesn't lag between ears, so it will stay consistent through your playtime, or if you're talking on the phone, or if you're just using one earbud. So yeah, very cool.